In the original design, I was going to use L bracket to connect the lower to the upper boards, but the L bracket that I got was not wide enough, so instead I used scrap wood and used the little scrap wood as a block to hold the upper and lower in place. Also, at the bottom, instead of using 2x2s, I used the same wood board left. For the bottom section, I use wood glue in finishing nails. I'm not sure that how long it will hold together, but I will be putting it on the deck and not moving it much, so it should be okay. On the top, I did use a couple screws to tighten it down a little bit.